Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today, we will explore the profound impact of yoga on one's life, unraveling the layers of physical, mental, and spiritual benefits that this ancient practice offers. Each of the points provides a detailed look into the ways yoga can make a transformative difference, offering insights and practical guidance for individuals seeking a holistic approach to well-being. So let's get started. Mind-body connection. The mind-body connection is a powerful aspect of overall well-being. Cultivating awareness of this intricate link can lead to profound improvements in both mental and physical health. Practices like yoga, meditation, and mindfulness techniques foster a harmonious relationship between the mind and body. By syncing intentional breath with mindful movements, individuals can reduce stress, enhance focus, and promote a sense of inner balance. This heightened awareness allows for a more conscious and purposeful approach to daily living, emphasizing the inseparable unity of mental and physical aspects of our being. Stress reduction and relaxation. In the relentless pace of modern life, stress reduction and relaxation are paramount for overall well-being. Incorporating mindful practices into your routine, such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided meditation, can significantly alleviate stress. Create a tranquil space for these activities, fostering a sense of calm and centeredness. Additionally, engaging in activities like gentle yoga or nature walks can further enhance relaxation, promoting a harmonious balance between mind and body. Prioritize these moments of serenity to cultivate resilience and navigate life's challenges with a calmer perspective. Physical flexibility and strength. Physical flexibility and strength are key benefits of a consistent yoga practice. Yoga poses, or asanas, target various muscle groups, promoting flexibility by lengthening and stretching muscles. Additionally, the isometric nature of many poses builds strength, enhancing muscle tone and endurance. Incorporating dynamic sequences and static holds, yoga fosters a balanced approach to physical fitness. Regular practice not only improves flexibility and strength but also contributes to better posture, reduced risk of injury, and an overall sense of physical well-being. Mental clarity and focus. Achieving mental clarity and focus is a hallmark of a dedicated yoga practice. Incorporating mindful movements and controlled breathing techniques helps clear the mental fog, allowing for heightened concentration and awareness. Yoga's emphasis on being present in the moment cultivates a focused mindset, enabling individuals to navigate life's challenges with clarity. As the breath becomes a guiding force, practitioners experience a sense of calm that transcends into improved cognitive function, providing a valuable tool for managing stress and enhancing overall mental well-being. Emotional balance and well-being. Emotional balance is a cornerstone of overall well-being, and incorporating practices to nurture it is essential. Engage in activities that bring joy, express emotions through creative outlets, and maintain healthy relationships. Embrace mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, to navigate and understand emotions more effectively. Acknowledge and accept feelings without judgment, fostering a compassionate relationship with oneself. By prioritizing emotional balance, individuals can cultivate resilience, reduce stress, and experience a greater sense of fulfillment in their daily lives. Improved sleep quality. Enhancing sleep quality through simple yet effective strategies can significantly impact overall well-being. Establishing a consistent sleep routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or gentle yoga before bedtime, can promote restful sleep. Additionally, limiting screen time before sleep and avoiding stimulants like caffeine in the evening contribute to a more peaceful night's rest. Prioritizing sleep hygiene not only improves the quantity of sleep but also ensures a higher quality, resulting in increased energy, improved mood, and enhanced cognitive function during waking hours. Enhanced respiratory health. Enhanced respiratory health is a key benefit of incorporating yoga into your lifestyle. Through focused breath control, or pranayama, yoga helps optimize lung function, increase lung capacity, and improve overall respiratory efficiency. Specific breathing techniques practiced in yoga contribute to better oxygenation of the body, promoting lung health and reducing the risk of respiratory issues. By cultivating mindful and intentional breathing patterns, individuals can experience heightened respiratory well-being and a greater sense of vitality in their daily lives. Cultivation of mindfulness. Cultivating mindfulness is a transformative practice that involves bringing one's full attention to the present moment. In the midst of our fast-paced lives, mindfulness offers a sanctuary of mental clarity and tranquility. By focusing on the breath, sensations, and surroundings, individuals can develop a heightened awareness that transcends daily stressors. Regular mindfulness practice through activities like meditation or mindful walking enhances overall well-being, reduces stress, and fosters a deeper connection with oneself and the world, creating a pathway to sustained peace and contentment. Community and support. Community and support are integral components of a fulfilling yoga practice. Engaging with a yoga community provides a sense of belonging, encouragement, and shared experiences. Whether attending classes, workshops, or participating in yoga events, the support of like-minded individuals fosters motivation and enhances the overall journey. Beyond the physical postures, the communal aspect of yoga offers a space for connection, shared wisdom, and mutual inspiration. Embrace the community around you, as the collective energy and encouragement can uplift your practice and contribute to a more enriching and rewarding yoga experience. Spiritual exploration. Embarking on a journey of spiritual exploration through yoga opens doors to inner realms of self-discovery and transcendence. This practice encourages individuals to connect with a higher consciousness, fostering a deep sense of purpose and meaning in life. Through meditation, contemplation, and mindful movement, yoga provides a sacred space for individuals to explore the spiritual dimensions of their existence. This profound exploration often leads to a greater understanding of oneself, a heightened sense of inner peace, and a harmonious alignment with the universal energies that surround us. Embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation as we unravel the myriad ways in which yoga can positively impact your life. From physical well-being to mental clarity and spiritual exploration, the practice of yoga offers a holistic approach to achieving balance, harmony, and a profound sense of fulfillment. So thank you for joining with us. Have a great day.